Welcome our new JOYBEE K2, a truly smart lawnmower. Just a few taps. You can experience the future of lawn mowing. Parameter wire free, easy setup. It features a dual navigation system. RTK provides centimeter accuracy navigation in open space. VSLAM enables real-time positioning where RTK signal is unavailable. Powered by 3D Tough technology, it identifies and avoids obstacles accurately. Gives you a perfect lawn like never before. Climb up to 45% slope, adjustable cutting plates. LFP batteries excel in safety and lifespan. When the battery is low, it will return to recharge automatically and resume the interrupted mowing task after charging. With the Smart app, K2 can easily manage multiple zones and create no-go zones. It's easy to clean to avoid mowing wet grass. It returns to the charging base when it's raining. JOYBEE K2, a truly smart lawnmower. Anytime, anywhere.